Let's bring in here Congressman Erik Paulsen of Minnesota. There's one big issue, Congressman, that I want to discuss with you, and that is the elimination of the state and local tax deductions. We always talk that this is really going to hit New York, New Jersey, California, but it's also going to hit your constituents in Minnesota. What do you say to that? Because this passed the House.
Well, one thing I will say this, the bill did pass the House. It's actually the first time in a generation we've passed comprehensive reform. So that's exciting because it is transformational. But it also is providing tax relief regardless of where you live, even in some of those high-tax states, like in Minnesota, like in New York, like in California, because there are other provisions that expand the brackets for lower rates. And that's very important for people to know, as well as for those that don't itemize their deductions. There will be vast benefits, not only to middle-income families, but also growing our economy, whether you're a small business owner, whether you're a large employer and an employee there that's going to now be able to bring money back home from overseas to have more jobs, better jobs, and a faster growing economy. That's really what tax reform is about.
Yeah, and the White House is trying to stress that. Look, we saw 2 quarters in a row of that 3% economic growth. If we get tax reform, if we lower that corporate tax rate to 20% like we want to, just wait. The economy is going to fly. Congressman, you're on the House Ways and Means Committee. You're also on the Joint Economic Committee. So being a member of both of those, are you going to be part of the process where we take the House bill and we take the Senate bill and we put it together? Are you going to be part of that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. There will be a conference committee, right? The House has passed a bill. We'll wait till right after Thanksgiving. It is important that the conference committee act quickly and efficiently, presuming the Senate is able to pass a bill, because we want to have this in place before the beginning of the new year so that there's a little bit of certainty, predictability, confidence in how companies are going to invest in their employees and new equipment, and for families, right, to know how they're going to have higher paychecks, whether it's maybe lower withholding from their taxes, but also, more importantly, getting wage increases, which we have not seen as a part of the so-called economic recovery.
And we might. Okay, Congressman, thank you.